The concept is simple. Our focus is the high end of the specialty steel market, and we wanted to provide our customers with superior ultra-premium products from what we believe is the world's most advanced manufacturing facility in the least amount of time. In order to do that, we had to extract critical processes used in the production of hundreds of grades of steel at our highly sophisticated 340-acre Reading, Pennsylvania plant, which has served as Carpenter's primary manufacturing facility since 1889. Using Reading's production expertise, we then had to design a facility that specializes in the expedited manufacturing of 4 to 18-inch bar, primarily for the aerospace, energy, and consumer industries. Prior to the construction of the nearly $520 million linear plant, manufacturing these specific large bar and billet products in a compressed lead time was challenging due to Reading's complex scope of operations and geographic layout. As Carpenter evolved, so did the Reading plant. While highly successful and an integral part of the one mill operating system, Reading's success and growth created challenges with transfer and queue times between key processing locations because of land restrictions. Here's how the process works. High-purity ingots are created by melting raw materials using vacuum induction melting or VIM furnaces. It's at this point when the efficiencies in Athens begin to take shape. An automated storage and retrieval system moves the ingot through a conditioning process where it's ground and cut before going to the remelting furnaces. The in one end, out the other design of the ingot conditioning building is carried through the entire manufacturing process in Athens. Transfer cars then move the product next door to remelting, where ESR and VAR furnaces further refine the cleanliness of the alloy quality to customer requirements. Both types of furnaces are housed in the same building, eliminating transfer time and ultimately reducing lead time. In Reading, the same movement from conditioning to remelting is approximately half a mile away and includes straddle trucks, several material handlers, and a queue. After remelting, the material must then be transported another quarter mile to the forge. If the material must be pressed prior to being forged, an additional quarter mile is added to the equation. After the bars are turned and NDT inspected in forge finish, the material then travels another 1.5 miles to shipping. Back in Athens, the world's largest hydraulic radial press is right next door to the remelting furnaces, inside a building that spans more than 5 American football fields and also houses finishing operations. With the capability of exerting more than 4 million pounds of force, one pass through the hydraulic press can accomplish what's done in multiple passes in Reading, reducing lead times even further. Building off the proud tradition at Reading, we've been able to substantially reduce how far the product travels with our innovative new facility in Alabama. From ingot conditioning, to remelting, to forging, to finishing, and to our customers, it's that simple. Athens Operations, producing high-end specialty metals to enable customer success in demanding applications.